Yeah, yeah. Going fast, I just wanna do the dash. Put my pedal to the gas. Going so one false move that could be my last.
Give y'all a little startup real quick. Y'all can see it, but she's dirty. Dirty is on the what? Water spots and stuff. We're having like real bad pollen issues right now. I mean, obviously it's about that time of the year. But I had to go get a gas run anyway, so I was like, might as well just go ahead and make that exhaust video for y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and let my car warm up real quick and then go ahead and head to the gas station. Got the new shoes. Got some new wheels. I don't know. Y'all haven't seen them yet, but I just cleaned them not too long ago, like 2 or 3 days ago, and they're already dirty again. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and head out. The car is not fully warm yet, but it's almost there. It'll be good. But I mean, I would let y'all listen to that, like what it sounds like on the outside, but unfortunately I do not have a GoPro. It's kind of hard to film an exhaust video without a GoPro, huh? I gotta let you hear it from the outside. I don't know how that really sounds. That's with the windows rolled down too. I just rolled them back up for you. You hear it popping. Oh, there's some cops in front of me. There's some undercovers up there thinking they're slick. Alright, so that's what it sounds like at about 60 with the windows down. The windows aren't down all the way, but they're like partially down. It doesn't really drone that bad, honestly. Roll the window up. It's not that bad. I mean, that's what? Almost $2,000 at 60 miles an hour, and it's not really droning that bad. But let's go ahead and give it a little love tap, I guess. See, like, I just don't know. I feel like it sounds okay, but I feel like it also sounds weird at the same time. But I should go ahead and get some headers. I'm thinking about getting the BBK shorties. And once I do that, everything should sound a little bit better, at least. Because once I get them the shorties on there, it's gonna deepen it up and take away some of the rasp, or most of the rasp. Another Mustang right there. Downshift from third to second. You can hear it popping a little bit. Second to first. Yeah, it's not that bad, but I just need to go ahead and complete my system with the headers, and I'm wanting to get an X pipe also. but I mean, there's so many different brands out there. But I'm thinking just go ahead and go BBK with the headers and BBK with the X pipe. And then once I get that, go ahead and get it tuned. And once I get that tuned, I should be all good, honestly. But you never know, stuff changes. Ooh, that did not sound good. 18-wheeler next to me just grinded his gears. Got a GC350 in front of me. I don't know if you can see him. Try to get next to him. Maybe he'll hit it for the video. You never know. Let's see. Will he hit it? Ooh, no, he ain't gonna hit it. He's scared. Got a Marrow up here also. Hold up. I'm gonna go ahead and smack it real quick. Dude, it's so clean. I know you heard it. But yeah, if I see anything else, I'm gonna pick the camera back up. But I guess I'll just pick it back up at the gas station for sure. Mustang. The boy lit. And go ahead and get some wheels on it and do something else to it. Go ahead and turn the V6 up. Hey, look, you never know. With all this coronavirus stuff going on, you gotta make sure you go ahead and get your gloves on while pumping gas. And look, the gas prices really aren't bad at all. Now that all this coronavirus stuff's going on. At this gas station right here, 87 is like 193. I mean, not 193, man. Like 157. And 93 is like 207. But yeah, you gotta go ahead and see that you can't see them. But I got the gloves over there. It's all straight. Gotta go ahead and put them on. Can't be too safe out here. I honestly don't think these wheels look that bad on this car. They're starting to grow on me. I had my doubts about them at first, but they don't look that bad. I'm gonna go ahead and get some lowering springs, because you know, coilovers, and they're a little pricey. Let's go ahead and get your little start up for you real quick. Yeah, it's all good. It's all good. Let's go ahead and get going. I had the doggy hanging out the window. Oh, slowly gotta wait patiently at the light. That's just great. Finally, it turned yellow. See, like, it don't sound that bad, but it's, I don't know, it just needs something else. That's all it needs. Something to make it a little deeper. I want my car to sound like that truck that just went by. But no, I just need something to make it a little bit louder and a little bit deeper. That's it. There's Camaro up in front of me. Little third to second downshift. I like that red. Had a downshift right in his ear. It was a sexy Jeep. Pink and white. I like it. I like it. Roll these windows back up. Oh, yeah. It's just like, I don't know. Y'all need to go ahead and tell me down below what y'all want to see. Oh, I got some, I'll go ahead and get like some acceleration clips and stuff for y'all. And just go ahead and throw them in the video. Oh, there's a cop right there. Boom, you see him? Got another Mustang right there. Ooh. Oh, I know him. He tried to run me before, but you know how that goes. A little 4.0. It sounds okay, but Slick think it's stock. He just has some type of exhaust done to it, but I mean that's when I'm running. My whole car stock. I just got an exhaust and wheels. I'm gonna go ahead and get y'all under the tunnel real quick. Get a little downshift under the tunnel and then, you know, smack it in a second. If we can ever make it, all these red lights. Killing us with the red lights. Killing us, man. Got a fat F-250 behind me. Yeah, let's go ahead and get this. They get this little downshift. And they start braking. Oh my God, they gotta ruin it. Man, it's just not fun. But alright, I'll get back with y'all whenever I get to the crib, or I might go to the park, or I might meet up with a couple of my buddies later. But what happens, happens. We'll go ahead and chop it up with you then. But for now, I guess I'll just see y'all in a little bit.